Picking the right cough syrup for the flu is key. Diphenhydramine is great for dry, tickly coughs that keep you up at night. It's a suppressant. But if your cough is chesty and phlegmy, you need an expectorant. This thins the mucus to help you cough it up. For very severe dry coughs, there are codeine syrups. Remember, these are much stronger and require a doctor's prescription. So the golden rule: a dry cough? Use a suppressant. Wet, productive cough? Use an expectorant. Check the label and feel better faster.